Okay, the best season. Second season, best muse goes to. Okay, and that goes to.
Okay.
Drum roll, please.
May pick laban. Ito. Icon Mike sumasali. May pick yung laban. Ang ating best muse for second season from
Team
Airport United.
from Airport United, Miss Cassandra,
Of course,
for winning the Muse. Best Muse po muli.
Picture muna yung apat. Ate, picture na lang.
Balik mo na, balik mo na.
Ate, come here. Ayun, si ano.
Okay, ito po, Airport United. Tama daw muna po apat. Tama muna po apat daw. Okay.
Picture muna, yan. Thank you so much.
Okay, Airport United bagging again the Best Muse. Bagging the Best Muse Award is Airport United, si Miss Cassandra po. Okay, thank you po. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Thank you po. Congratulations po, Miss Cassandra, for winning the Best Muse Award sa ating second season ng Airport United. Thank you po. This comprised ng all the muses from Airport United, from Qatar Contact Center, from in-flights, CAS, and for the Qatar Executive. Yan ha.
Alright.
Ay, umiyak.
And of course, best news for today.
The best news for today. Sige po Naiya.
So, best for today will receive a cash prize.
Of course. Cash prize, cold cash.
Road trip tour. Back to do. Okay. Wait, hindi. Kayo na bahala. Baka paglinod. Kakauwi ko lang po. Okay, sir. So, we will announce our winner now.
Okay, they will announce now. Okay.
Judges. Sino may ikot yung judges? Or mag-ramp? Okay. Hello. Hello. Ladies, can you please move forward 2 steps forward? 1, 2. God, this is Miss Judy. Miss Judy. Okay.
Gigantic
Alright.
steps ang po.
About face. Alright, ladies. Gusto makita ng mga judges natin ng inyong mga beauty. Right, ladies? To your left, to your right. To your right, please. To your right. Right. Right, anak, right. Okay. Miss Bien, Miss Blanche, Miss Judy, and Miss Cassandra. Again, ladies, to your right, please.
Okay,
To your
to the right.
Face right. Miss Judy, pumalik kayo sa left ninyo. To your right.
Right po,
anak.
isa pa.
Right.
Yan, talikod kayo, yan.
Talikod kayo.
Okay, yan, final po. Final screening.
Alright. Ladies, last turn to your right.
Okay,
Now.
last turn to your right. Right.
Right. Yan.
Okay, right.
Alright, okay naman judges?
Okay.
Last turn to your
Ito
right,
po.
please, ladies. Alright, face up.
Okay, yan na.
Alright. Okay na. Kap, ano masasabi mo, Kap, ngayon? Harap na sa mga player.
Okay, they will now select now.
Okay, sige.
They will select now the muses.
Ladies, please face our
Okay.
players, mga teams natin.
Okay, they will select now.
And now,
Okay, we're here right now po si Miss Cassandra, the best in muse po ng second season po ng Aviation United. Congratulations po to ma'am, and how you feel right now po ma'am?
I'm very happy, even if I'm very happy for this event.
Okay.
May they enjoy
Okay.
post their sportsmanship today.
And also of course, can you wish them your team po ay good game po para po mamaya po? Dahil defending champion po sila. Paki-wish nyo po sila yung Airport United po.
Yung wala po.
Sige.
May comment po rin yun. Para mabilis po tayo.
Okay, what do you tell kasi po?
I would like to
Dito po.
good luck to them and sa kanilang play mamaya because
Okay,
may
good.
game 1 po sila mamaya.
Okay, okay. Last but not the least, siyempre, 1 minute po ma'am. Shoutout po kayo dyan. Meron kayong Facebook account, support niyo po sila, TikTok account, any accounts po, or sige po, laban siyo po, family member. Sige po ma'am, sige po.
Follow my family.
Okay.
Congratulations po sa ating best meal and all ladies.
Ina Saliman,
Congratulations.
Facebook, Instagram.
Ah, sige po. Thank you po ma'am, Miss Cassandra. Ang ano, sa Qatar Airways po kayo ma'am? Anong departamento po?
I'm actually,
Okay, kala, okay. Pa-invite pala. Well, thank you po ma'am and have a nice day po sa inyo.